everyone, how are you doing? I am so excited. I have a new box that I have been kind of eyeing for a while, and I finally just went in and did it. I don't know what I was waiting for, but I have my April Globin box. Look how big this box is, it's huge. I'm so excited to get it. So Globin is an awesome box. I pulled up the website to tell you more about it, like I always do with new subscriptions since it's new to me. We both have some things to learn about it, but before we get started, I just want to remind you that I did just launch my 4,000 subscriber giveaway, finally. So if you have not yet entered, please definitely check out the link below. It is active until May 8th at midnight Eastern Standard Time, and it is open internationally. So it is a pretty big giveaway. A big thank you to all of you because I love you so much and appreciate your support more than you know. But anyways, let's get to the box. I am so excited. I got it in the mail last night, or I guess yesterday, but I didn't know I got it until the evening when I opened up my door. It was sitting there, and I really want to know what's in it. I guess I kind of know, but anyways. So this is GlobeIn Artisan box. So it says, our Artisan box is a monthly subscription featuring exclusive handcrafted products from global artisans. Each box is curated around a monthly theme by our editor to bring you exciting products that make you feel well-traveled and connect with distant cultures around the world. So I believe this normally costs about $30, but for your first box, if you use my link down below, you can get it for just $10. So since this was my very first box, it was only $10, and it looks like it's full of good stuff. So one reason why this caught my eye is because it has its mission. What was I just gonna say? It says, we deliver joy by empowering and connecting remarkable remote artisans to mindful customers. So these products come from around the world, and all of them just have such meaning, it seems. I watched a few videos in the past and they just seem so great. So let's get unboxing and see what this box is all about. So like the description of this box said, there is a monthly theme. If you don't like the theme, you have the option to choose a past box. I went with the theme for April because I thought it seemed pretty cool, and the theme is Slurp Box. So here is the card that is on top of the box. So it says Globin Slurp Box, and it has a picture of what I think might be coming in here, but let's read what it says for this month. It says, hey friends, do you enjoy a nice warm shower, the toasty gulp of a cup of hot chocolate, the subtle tingle of your toes warming up in a pair of wool socks, or perhaps a cuddle from the one you love and a hug from a cozy quilt? If you're a lover of all things soothing, you'll find tranquility in the Slurp Box, and I'm here to assure you that chicken soup is for the soul and not just for sick days from school or work. So then it talks more about what is in here, and that looks like it might be a sneak peek picture. Anyways, let's get unboxed. There's all this paper and stuff. I'm just gonna kind of toss it. Soon my cats will be running in when they hear that noise. Okay, the first thing I see, oh, this is cute. What is this? There's a little picture on there. I think this is so cute. One of the reasons why I wanted to get this box is because it has a lot of home stuff in it, and I really need to get on top of like decorating my place and making it feel more like a home. So it says on here that Alejandro Lucas learned to weave palm from his mother when he was only 10 years old. He left his hometown of Taxco, Guerrero, I'm sorry, I'm saying that probably wrong, and moved to Oaxaca City to make a better life for himself. And then it talks about marrying his wife and all this stuff, and he said his dream is to purchase land with the money he makes with Globin in order to build a safe home for Blanca and their 2 kids. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, there's something inside it. It looks like there's some ramen inside it, but here is what the inside looks like. And before I move on to the ramen, I want to see if the booklet says anything more about this, but this is, I can't believe this is handcrafted, and we actually can read about the person that did it themselves. And we could see him, I think there's a picture of him and his family there that is so sweet. So let's read a little bit more about this, if there is something about it in here, which I'm assuming there is. Yep, here it is. So the Amapola palm leaf basket, so it's handmade in Mexico. And it says its measurements, if you're curious, are 6 inches by 5 inches. Material is palm leaf, and it says care instructions, wipe clean. And here is an idea of how to use it. There's some fresh fruit and vegetables in there, it looks like. And it says, say hello to Paula Hernandez Santiago. Paula is 27 years old and works for Globin under our artisan leader, Celerina. Paula lives and works in rural Oaxaca. Sorry. So she talks, this is about another weaver. So I guess they're talking about one in here, but we get a little personal note from our actual weaver on here. So it says, due to your Slurpbox purchase, you have enabled Paula to maintain and improve her circumstances. That is awesome. So it says suggested use to store vegetables in the fridge or dried bundles of pasta and rice noodles in the pantry. This is adorable. I'm totally going to use this. I am so excited. This is so pretty. And that's Paula. Okay, since ramen was in there, let's look at this ramen. Yum, I haven't had ramen in forever. When I lived in Chicago, there was this ramen restaurant and I would get it delivered and it was so good. Now I'm like hungry. So this is Forbidden Rice Ramen White Miso Soup by Lotus Foods. Rice is life. Ready in 4 minutes, made with organic rice, gluten-free. Let's see what's in this. There's a vegan sign, awesome. Because sometimes like with ramen and stuff like that, there's like broth that I can't eat. But this is all good. Oh my god, this looks so awesome. I don't have any food in my house really besides snacks, so this might be my dinner later. Or my lunch, it's still really early. Oh, and there's like some recipes in the back if you wanted to know how to make more ramen. But here is the ramen page, I just found it. So this was handmade in China, cool. It says the Lotus Food story began with when their founders first tasted an amazing black rice during their travels in China. It was called tribute rice or longevity rice because it was reserved for Chinese emperors to ensure their good health and long life. In 1995, Lotus Foods began importing black rice, calling it forbidden rice after the Forbidden City, the Chinese imperial palace. Little did they know that they'd eventually find themselves trying to change how the world grows. And then it gives you some suggested use, but it tells you the directions right on the packet. So this looks awesome, and I have a feeling there's going to be something else in this box that we can enjoy this from. The rest of the contents are in this box. Let me get this opened. Oh, wow, this is beautiful. I can tell already. And they packed it very well. I can't believe there are no cats in here right now. They must be all outside or napping. Look at all this. Oh my god, this bowl is beautiful. Look at this. I love it. And there's like a little space here for you to rest your spoon. And a little hole there too, which I think has a similar purpose. But this is so beautiful. And it says this is made in Tunisia, hand-painted stoneware. Oh, it's actually dishwasher, oven, and microwave safe too. That is awesome. And there's something else in here. Let me get this out. Wow, this is so pretty. There's like a little tiny plate or bowl. What would you call this? Oh my god, that is beautiful. I love the design. And there's one last thing that came in the box. I have a feeling this is a spoon or something like that. Yeah, look at these chopsticks. They have little elephant heads on it. These are so amazing. Oh my god. I did not expect there to be elephants. I thought they'd just be like a spoon or a chopstick or something. Let's read more about this. It's so pretty. Okay, well first it says something about the sauce dish. So this beautiful sauce bowl is your new accomplice in all things savory. It comes from Naboul, a city in the Mediterranean coast of northeast Tunisia. Again, I'm so sorry if I'm mispronouncing things. And home of craft studio Tunisian Ceramics. And then it says pour a bit of soy sauce in this dish. Great idea for easy dipping. Combine soy sauce and wasabi for extra flavor. Oh my god, this is so pretty. I love it. And there is one of the designers and a picture of the pretty saucepan. And the bowl, here's a picture of it there. I love this. It says your bowl comes from Naboul, so it pretty much has the same description. It says used for a personal bowl of ramen or wheat noodles or for a nice large bowl of your favorite mixed green salad. Lay your chopsticks across for cleanliness and easy accessibility. Yes, that hole, here I'll show you. So you can just put it across like that. That is so awesome. I am so excited about this. This was so cute. Let's see, and there's something about the chopsticks too. If you're wondering, they are made out of jacaranda wood. Sorry. 9.5 inches long, and they are dishwasher safe. Sweet. And it says, your new elephant chopsticks were produced in part by James Masood. James attended school to the primary level but was forced out of school at an early age when his parents no longer had the funds to put him through an education. So he started to learn how to carve for a living. Wow, cool. He's been carving for over 13 years. And that is James right there. I love this, how it has stories about everyone. It just makes you feel so good. And I just love it. This stuff is beautiful. All of this is so beautiful. So I think this is awesome. And I only paid $10 for all this. That's crazy. So if you like this, a lot of times, like I said, you can get old or like past subscriptions or past months instead of the current one. So yeah, and it's only $10 your first month and then like $30 thereafter. So this is awesome. So yeah, I'll leave that link below if you're interested. I think this was so good. I am so happy. So let's just do a really quick recap, even though I kind of showed you, but okay, beautiful. I cannot wait to use this to store my produce, probably is what I'm gonna do. And this ramen bowl, oh my God, okay. The elephant chopsticks, so pretty. This bowl, I can't get over with the matching sauce tray. Oh, and don't forget the ramen. I think this is just very well curated. I love it so much. So yeah, let me know your thoughts below in the description box. Like I said, I'll leave the link. And also I will leave the link to my giveaway. But anyways, I am so excited to see what else the subscription has to offer in the future. I love it so much. But yeah, anyways, I hope you guys are all having an amazing day. Thank you so much for unboxing with me. I love you so, so much, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.